Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorial. My name is Ayman. I'm from the OnceHub support team. In today's video, we will learn how to confirm or edit the default date and time settings on your OnceHub account. To do this, you would need to log into your account, click on the profile icon at the top right corner, go to Profile Overview, go to Date and Time from left side. Now in the default time zone, you can select your country and then your choice of time zone. On the date format, you can select how you want your date to be displayed. It can either be in the United States format or an international format. Then on the time format, you can select how you want your time to be displayed. It can either be in the AM or PM format or a 24 hours format. Then you can select your preferred week start day. Say for example, you can select it as Tuesday. Save these changes. Now please know that these settings will only be displayed within your OnceHub account and this won't affect how your customers see your availability. Now let me show you how these display on your account. Go to the availability from left side, go to scheduled meetings, go to edit weekly hours. So if you can see, your time zone is set at Eastern time. Your week start day is Tuesday and the time format is in the 24 hours format. That's it. Thank you for watching.